All right, 7th graders, lesson 73, multiplying and dividing signed numbers. Again, a signed number is a number that has a sign in front of it, like a -3. Normally, if I'd write a +3, I'd just write a 3. But today we're going to be dealing with signed numbers, and often when we sign them, we put them in parentheses just so that people know what type of sign should go in them. We also have to remember what happens when we put two negatives and two positives together. So let's do that here. If I multiply a -3 times a -3, that will be a +9. A -3 times a +3 will be a -9. And a +3 times a +3 will be a +9. The only time we end up with a negative is when we have an odd number of negatives that we're multiplying. If we have an even number of negatives, then we'll have an even number, or a positive number for our answer. Same thing works with division. -6 divided by a -2 equals a +3. -6 divided by a +2 equals a -3. And +6 divided by a +2 equals a +3. So the same thing. If we have two negatives, an even number of negatives, we'll have a positive answer. If we have an odd number of negatives, we'll have a negative answer. So knowing those rules, those signs, will help us determine whether our answer is going to be positive or negative. So let's do some examples. We've got a -12 over a +4. 12 divided by 4 is 3, and then I have one negative, so I need a negative answer there. For B, I've got a -12 over a -3. 12 divided by 3 is 4, and two negatives will equal a positive. Next, we've got 6 times a -3. 6 times 3 is 18, and I've got one negative number, so my answer will be negative. And in D, I've got -6 times a -4. 6 times 4 is 24, and two negatives will make a positive, so I will have a +24 for my answer. So it's just remembering those rules about how many positives and negatives you have, and knowing what the answer is. You can get started on your practice set, 7th graders.